Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do the Block Blast glitch. First, open up your Block Blast app, and once you're in, tap on Settings. Now here's the trick. Tap on Replay again and again until you get a 3x3 block. Once you have that 3x3 block, place it near the top, just under the second row, and then next use the other blocks and place them in the lower part of the board. Keep playing until you get like a 5-row block. Now, place the 5-row block right on top of the 3x3 block that you placed earlier, and that's when the glitch happens. And then you start getting 3x3 blocks and 2x3 blocks for free. If this doesn't work for you, the glitch might have been fixed by the Block Blast team. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.